Imagine a referee officiating the most important game of their life, with millions watching and both teams fiercely passionate. How could that person make fair calls without being influenced by the roar of the crowd or the demands of the players? Federal judges are largely protected from public and partisan pressure primarily through two key constitutional provisions: lifetime appointments and guaranteed salaries. These foundational principles allow them to serve without fear of political retaliation or financial coercion. Article 3 of the United States Constitution is the bedrock for this unique system. It states that federal judges shall hold their offices during good behavior and shall, at stated times, receive for their services a compensation which shall not be diminished during their continuance in office. The during good behavior clause means judges serve for life, unless they commit an impeachable offense. This eliminates the need for them to campaign for re-election or appease political donors, which could sway their judicial decisions. Furthermore, the inability to reduce their salaries ensures they cannot be financially pressured by other branches of government if their rulings are unpopular. Practically speaking, this means a federal judge can issue a ruling based strictly on legal precedent and constitutional interpretation, even if that decision is widely unpopular or goes against the prevailing political sentiment. They are empowered to uphold the law as they understand it, rather than bending to the will of constituents or political parties. This structure is designed to foster a judiciary that is truly independent. This concept is known as judicial independence, a cornerstone of the American system of checks and balances. The only mechanism for removing a federal judge is through impeachment by the House of Representatives and conviction by the Senate, a process reserved for serious misconduct, not for disagreement with a judicial opinion. This high bar for removal reinforces their insulation from everyday political whims. Ultimately, these protections ensure that federal judges can serve as impartial arbiters of the law, making decisions based on legal principles rather than political expediency. This allows the judicial branch to act as a crucial check on the executive and legislative branches, safeguarding individual rights and maintaining the rule of law for all citizens.